What if I told you that Honda just created a hatchback that delivers supercar-level efficiency while still being fun to drive? The 2025 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport Touring Hybrid is rewriting the rulebook, and trust me, this is one car you need to know about. Welcome back to Gravity Automotive, where we break down the vehicles that matter. And today we're diving deep into why this Civic might just be the smartest purchase you'll make this year. Honda has taken everything great about the Civic and turbocharged it with hybrid technology, creating something that's not just economical but genuinely exciting. Let me walk you through why this hatchback is turning heads and changing minds across the automotive world. Under the hood, Honda has engineered something pretty special. You've got a 2.0-liter direct-injected Atkinson cycle engine with dual overhead cams and 16 valves, producing 141 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute and 134 pound-feet of torque at 4,500 revolutions per minute. But here's where it gets interesting. Honda paired this with a permanent magnet electric motor that cranks out 181 horsepower and an impressive 232 pound-feet of torque. Combined, you're looking at a total system output of 200 horsepower and 232 pound-feet of torque. This isn't just about numbers on paper though, because the way Honda has integrated this hybrid powertrain through dual single-speed fixed-ratio transmissions means power delivery is smooth, immediate, and surprisingly engaging. The 1.1 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery might seem small, but it's perfectly sized for this application, keeping weight down while providing just enough electric assist to make a massive difference in efficiency. Speaking of efficiency, let's talk about what really matters to your wallet. This Civic hatchback achieves an EPA estimated 50 miles per gallon in the city, 45 on the highway, and 48 combined. Read that again. 50 miles per gallon in city driving, where hybrids typically shine brightest. With an EPA range of 595 miles on a single tank, you could drive from Los Angeles to San Francisco and back without stopping for fuel. At Gravity Automotive, we always emphasize real-world value, and these numbers translate to serious savings over time. In an era where fuel prices fluctuate wildly, having a vehicle that sips fuel like this while still delivering 200 horsepower is nothing short of remarkable. Now, some people think hybrid means compromising on performance, but the MotorTrend testing results tell a different story. This Civic sprints from 0 to 60 in just 6.3 seconds, which is genuinely quick for a fuel-efficient hatchback. The quarter-mile passes in 15.1 seconds at 90.5 miles per hour. But what really impressed the testers was how this car handles. With a curb weight of 3,268 pounds distributed at a near-perfect 62% front and 38% rear, the Civic hatchback feels balanced and planted. It pulls 0.86 G on the skid pad, stops from 60 miles per hour in just 113 feet, and navigates the figure 8 in 27.6 seconds at an average of 65 centimos. These aren't just numbers, they represent a car that's genuinely fun to toss around corners while still being comfortable enough for your daily commute. The dimensions strike that perfect balance between practicality and sportiness. At 179 inches long, 70.9 inches wide, and 55.7 inches tall, riding on a 107.7-inch wheelbase, this hatchback provides excellent interior space without feeling bulky. The hatchback configuration means you get significantly more cargo versatility than the sedan, making it perfect for everything from grocery runs to weekend adventures. Honda wrapped this package on 18-inch wheels wearing Goodyear Assurance Finesse 235/40R18 tires that provide excellent grip while maintaining fuel efficiency. The Sport Touring trim represents the pinnacle of Civic hatchback luxury and technology. With a base price of $34,690 and as tested price of $35,145, you're getting premium features, advanced safety technology, and that incredible hybrid powertrain. This front-wheel drive 5-passenger 4-door hatchback offers seating for the whole family while delivering sports car thrills when you want them and hybrid efficiency when you need it. Honda's engineering team has created something truly special here, a vehicle that doesn't ask you to compromise. You get the practicality of a hatchback, the efficiency of a hybrid, the refinement of a premium sedan, and the engagement of a sport compact, all wrapped into one incredibly well-executed package. At Gravity Automotive, we've seen a lot of vehicles that promise the world, but the 2025 Honda Civic Hatchback Sport Touring Hybrid actually delivers. Whether you're a daily commuter looking to slash fuel costs, a driving enthusiast who still needs practicality, or someone who simply wants one of the smartest vehicles on the market today, this Civic deserves your serious consideration. Honda has once again proven why the Civic nameplate has remained relevant for decades, by evolving with the times while staying true to what made it great in the first place.